So this is a black powder cannon. We found out that you can shoot firecrackers out of it. What we've done is we've stuck a firecracker down in it so the fuse sticks out the back. And then we take 4 gray fused firecrackers, these are Black Cats, and we're going to twist the fuses together so that they're sticking down the middle. And then we're going to put them down the barrel. Give them a nice gentle little push down. And we set it up, pick our angle of attack, and then we light.